Welcome back to another diecast showcase. Today I'm going to be looking at this, the newest Hot Wheels Elite 6.4 release. It is the McLaren M6GT. This is quite the pick for a Hot Wheels model. I'm going to open this up and take a look at it. This is number 12 of the Elite 6.4 series. All that stuff on the back. So this car is a very left field thing from Hot Wheels. This was supposed to race in was it like Group 4 GT, and they were gonna make like 250 of these, and then because of Bruce McLaren's passing, only 4 of these were made. And it's a very interesting pick. It's of all the McLarens they could have done, this is probably one of the more obscure ones, at least to the mainstream. I'm trying to get this thing open. There we go. Alrighty. And I believe this might be the first ever McLaren M6 GT ever made in 1/64 scale. So it does have a metal base. It has a bit of detail there on the bottom of the chassis there. And it is in a nice orange. Has, of course, all Elite 6.4s will have custom wheels, as you can see there. Is in a nice orange. Look at the headlights. It's almost got like a dual headlight. It's got like the headlight cover, and then there's like another headlight in there. This thing looks pretty sweet. It's got separate pieces for the mirrors there. Here's the top. See if we can get a look at the interior. I'll try my best. I can't really see much. Looks like there might even be some printing in there. It's very hard to see inside of there. All right, now this does have a moving part. The back of it does open, showing off the engine right there, which looks pretty well detailed, I gotta say. And the exhaust right there. What motor? It says what motor it has on it. It is a Chevrolet LT1 90-degree V8. So there's a V8 motor. Trying to get all those details in there. This car is... It's an interesting car, and this is kind of why I like Elite 6.4, is that some of the picks, the casting decisions they've made have been quite interesting. Like, for example, that Bugatti they did. That thing was quite left field, and this looks good. It's nicely detailed. Some front detailing up there. And it looks really nice. I got the back right there. The taillights are, it looks like they are printed in, probably because it's a moving part. Just looking at the detail. This thing is nice. Having it in hand, this thing is really cool. And I think a lot of people are excited for this just because it's just such a left field sort of pick. Look at the way they did the back here. There's like actually like a cover. So when it's closed, you can only see the cylinders right there. Look at that. This model just has so much detail. Looks great. And once again, a very left field, unexpected pick from Hot Wheels, and it's a really nice looking model. I really dig it. Love the opening feature. It looks really good. And yeah, a lot of cool stuff coming from Elite 6.4, and this is no exception to that. This is a really sweet model, and I really dig it. And I think it's still available. These Elite 6.4s are really mass produced, and they don't sell very well. So I shouldn't say sell very well, but they make a lot of them, so they take a while to sort of sell out. And yeah. This is a really cool model. I'm just looking at it, trying to get all the angles of it. It looks really good. The orange color is nice and bright, looks really good. The classic McLaren orange. Yeah, definitely a cool model right here. Oh, there it goes. Rolls nicely. If you care about it rolling, it rolls very smooth. And I really dig this model. And yeah, just a really cool model. Hope you grabbed it. If you didn't, go grab it. It's really cool. It's a really nice car. Really good details. Very nice casting. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.